This is a storage cabinet. It could be hooked up to a wall so it doesn't shake at all. It can hold up to 1,750 pounds, and you can adjust the shelf to your liking. Simply take off the brackets, lift the shelf up, and put it to the height you want by moving everything. The shelf is made of steel, and we're going to show you how simple this is to build and set up, and what you could put on it. Tools required to build the shelf: a soft mallet. Use the back of the hammer each of the areas down. Copart 5-tier shelving unit. Check online for further details about the product. It's a do-it-yourself cabinetry that you're going to assemble and store for garages, rooms, and more. We're going to show you how to build it, put a couple of things on it, what it's all about. As we open up the box, we're going to put the parts in order and get ready to assemble. It's made of metal in black. Like any product, comes with the manual, all the parts that you get, and how to install, and you're going to secure it to a wall or leave hang. So what we're going to do is lay everything out, which we did: clips, bars, rails, shelves. We're going to be building 4 bars, like so. Grab a right angle rubber bottom. It lines up and locks into place one way. Tap on. You're going to take this clip bracket and you're going to take the next bracket and line up, and you're going to tap down. You're going to then take another bracket and then take the short bar, correctly tap down. 5 on each side. Your 2 bars, you're going to now decide the height you want. You're going to lock your bars in. The A on the inside, carefully put pressure against the bar and slide down and tap into place. Grab the bar, side and side facing you, and repeat for the 5 on one side. Top is complete. Work on the very bottom. Count the spaces you want each of the shells and repeat for the next one. Use a back or a rubber mallet and tap down. If you're happy with the height and everything, you want to readjust, you can do so. If you make a mistake, like so, just simply tap up, remove, and recorrect. Last one on. And proceed to the next step. These are B bars, and what they're going to be doing is you're going to turn the rail that you just made to the side, and you're going to attach like so. And take the next rail and do the same. Align up to the holes. If you don't need any help from a friend, continue on. Then you're going to grab the next one and you're going to put on. I'm going to put this on lower so this way everything won't fall. I'm going to put it on the bottom. I'm going to repeat for the front over here. and over here. I'm going to start locking down the next set. Slide it in a little. And we'll just continue on placing on. To the top one, like so. Align up. Push in. Tap down. This is H, B. They're going to go in here. They're going to get bent. This one's going to get bent, so they lock into place like so. Have holes. They face to the sky by simply, with a tool or your thumb, both ends, and then they're going to slip in. Lock it in. That gives you your support. I'll give you a close-up shot on the next one. Grab, bend, holes facing to the top, slide in, tap in. On the floor, flat, bend 90. On the floor, bend 90. Place in and over, and lock down. Tap into place. All you have to do now is take your shells, slide them through, place them on top, and done. Place on the caps at the very end if you did not. We put ours on at the very beginning, and we have our cabinet built. All you need now to do is to secure it to a wall. You have tie wraps, anchors, and bolts. Your choice as an option to secure in your location. We're going to transfer tools and place different items all over so you can decorate your needs. Place your automobile stuff on, like a floor jack, and more. With a capacity of up to 1,750 pounds, 16 inches in depth by 31 inches in width, and 72 inches in height. If you choose to minimize your shelf or maximize your shelf distance, they are 16 inches apart. They are adjustable before building. It is your choice and your option for the shelving units. It could be used for anything possible, like automobile, stocking supplies and material, and more. It is made of steel, metal. It can be put indoors anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy your shelving unit, made of steel, strong, and got a nice and modern look to it. Thank you for your time and view.